Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a red wine vinaigrette salad dressing. What I like about this recipe is that it's super quick and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So some of the ingredients that it requires is some red wine vinegar, some extra virgin olive oil, some salt, some Dijon mustard, and some black pepper. So I'm gonna just move these ingredients to the side real quick. So the first ingredient that it calls for is 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar. So I have my 1/3 cup here. I'm just gonna pop this lid off now, if I can. There we go. And I'm gonna just pour some of this red wine vinegar in. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pour it in this bowl. Okay. And then the next ingredient that it calls for is a 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna get a 1/2 cup of this. Okay. So there's that. Okay. And then it wants a tablespoon of this Dijon mustard. I'm gonna shake it up and then pour some of it in there. Okay, and then just dump it in there. Okay, and then it asks for an 1/8 tablespoon of salt. So I'm gonna just get that. 1/8 tablespoon, and then, or I'm sorry, a teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon, and then the same for the black pepper, an 1/8 teaspoon. I'm gonna just open this up. The recipe also gives an option for the black pepper. You can either do an 1/8 or a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm just doing an 1/8. And then after that, you just mix it all together. So I'm just gonna use this, just mix it together till it's all nice and, well, mixed together. And then I will show you the finished product after it's done. Keep mixing. Okay. And then the finished product should look something like this. Let me grab this, and there you go. All right, so one tip that I found that's easier for me is to switch it to a jar and just shake it up that way. Mixing it worked, and that works fine. That's a great method. Just for me, it's easier to just shake it in a jar and then you can transfer it to a bowl. So the nutritional value for this vinaigrette is per serving, there's 163 calories, which is awesome. Protein, there's no protein in it or no fiber. And then it also tells the cost. You can kind of spend a lot on different salad dressings and different things like that. And so it's really nice that this is only 48 cents per serving and you're making it yourself. And so that's awesome. And yep, that is a vinaigrette.